Maple syrup. Maple syrup is one of the many gifts the world has received from the Native Americans, who are said to have discovered that sap from maple trees could be processed to make syrup. The trees accumulate starch in their roots and trunks, which gets converted into sugar over the winter. As spring arrives, the sugar rises and mixes with water to form a sap that is harvested by tapping or piercing the trees. Since the sap has a high water ratio, it is processed to make the extra moisture evaporate, thus leaving behind a thick, luscious syrup. The entire process is natural and devoid of chemical additives, preservatives, or agents. Like many healthy plant-based foods, maple syrup is rich in proteins and carbohydrates and is a rich source of several minerals like calcium, sodium, potassium, and zinc, and it's great for building one's immunity. Hi, I'm Michael Swami, and I'm going to be making maple chili wings. It's a very simple and easy recipe. Maple syrup, as you all know, comes from Canada. I'm going to marinate some chicken wings with some maple syrup, some chili flakes, some ginger garlic paste, and you could use herbs of your choice. But I'm going to be using chives for this. It gives that lovely oniony flavor which marries with the maple syrup. So let's begin. 500 grams of chicken wings, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 3/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, sea salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of chives, and a small handful of microgreens. We've got chicken wings here. So let's begin by drizzling maple syrup over them. Add in the ginger garlic paste, chili flakes, drizzle some canola oil, and season it with pepper and salt. Toss the chicken properly so it gets evenly coated with the seasonings. Let this marinate for about an hour or so before we put it onto the frying pan. So the maple chili wings have been marinating for an hour, so I'm going to begin cooking them. It's going to take about 8 minutes to cook on a slow flame. Heat a large pan over medium flames. As soon as you see tiny bubbles in the oil, you know it is hot, and that's the right time to add in your chicken. Keep basting the chicken with the marinade that's left over in the bowl. So let's chop up some chives. Sprinkle these over the chicken to give it a fresh, herby flavor. The chicken will take about 6 to 8 minutes to cook. So we'll keep turning it regularly so it cooks evenly. So the chicken's done and I'm going to start plating it. Select the kind of maple syrup you want to use for different purposes. The thin, light maple goes well with pancakes and marinades, while the thick, strong maple syrup goes well with waffles and stronger flavored dishes. I do hope you love making this recipe, for it's a favorite of mine.